If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of SoundCore Glow speaker with 360 sound and light show. SoundCore makes very impressive speakers and headsets. In fact, SoundCore Products is an Anchor affiliate company. This particular small speaker is very impressive, because this portable speaker features an 8W speaker with a single passive radiator to provide 360-degree dynamic sound in a compact package. The 360-degree light show synchronizes with the music to take any party to the next level. It is waterproof and dustproof for worry-free listening. Glow Mini portable speaker even floats in the water, so you can chill by the pool with total peace of mind. Its long battery life lets you listen for up to 12 hours on a single charge. Keep in mind that battery life will be reduced when using the light effects. You may simultaneously connect more than 100 speakers with synchronized sound and lighting to really feel the party atmosphere. Imagine that. Pairing to your phone is very easy, and you may use the SoundCore app to enjoy many preset sounds and light effects for awesome light shows. The sound is very rich and powerful for its size, and it is a small speaker. Using the app you can select loads of preset light settings or you can create your own. It also has loads of preset EQ profiles or you can tweak the sound to however you want it. Battery lasts a reasonable amount of time, but if you use the lights it obviously uses the battery quicker than if you switch the lights off. Great sound for something so small, and the Anchor speakers are really good considering that they are quite a bit cheaper than most of the established big-name audio equipment brands. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.